Make a great choice today with the 2007 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, one-touch windows, one overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.